Downloaded a Russian fan translation for your favorite game and ended up with a ZOG file? These patches come from the ZOG Games community and need specific handling to apply correctly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through installing and using these ZOG Games patch files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the ZOG file. I'll reveal it at the end. A ZOG file is a game patch or localization package created by the ZOG Games ZOG community, a popular Russian language gaming portal. Users typically download these files to apply unofficial translations, Russifications, or modifications to PC games, enabling them to play in their native language or with community-made enhancements. The ZOG format is likely a custom archive or container designed by the ZOG community to package game assets like text, fonts, and textures. This proprietary structure ensures that all necessary files for a specific patch are bundled together, simplifying distribution and application for the end user, often via a custom installer. For full compatibility with ZOG, use the proprietary ZOG Games ZOG patcher developed by ZOG Games community. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows cannot display scripting or binary game data, so proper handling requires the original engine. We're going to check the compatibility list systematically. Right-click your ZOG file, then click Open With. Test ZOG Games ZOG. Patcher if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Persistence is crucial here. If your ZOG file isn't cooperating, don't worry. When the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these three focused troubleshooting steps now. First, identifying the patch type. Examine the ZOG file to determine if it is a self-extracting executable, an archive, or an installer. Check the file size and use a tool like 7-zip to inspect contents. Read any included README files for installation instructions specific to the game and patch version compatibility requirements. Next, running the installer. If the ZOG file is an executable installer, right-click and run as administrator, pointing the installer to your game's installation directory. The patcher will replace or add files automatically. Always back up your original game files before applying any community patch in case rollback is needed. Finally, manual extraction and installation. Open the ZOG file with 7-zip or WinRAR if it is an archive. Extract the contents to your game's installation folder, allowing file replacement when prompted. Verify the patch applied correctly by launching the game and checking for the translated text or modified content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.